Philip. Don't let him do anything he wants, Philip. That's it, man. Scramble, scramble. Get that leg, get his leg and pick him up. Yo! Fuck around, man. I should have wound up. See, pass that leg. Oh, get both your arms out. Sit on him, sit on him, sit on him. Just relax, relax. Oh, shit. Hey, what's wrong with you? Oh, no, loud bastard. Do that shit again, Philip. Stand up, Philip, stand up. That's it, stay there, man, stay strong. Oh! Philip, sit on him, man.
That arm is there all day.
You got his arm.
Step over the head, you got it.
Step over his head, step over his head. Snap that arm. Bend it, bend it.
Does he know how to fucking finish?
Triangle, triangle. Lock that in.
Lock it up.
Lock it in. Grab it with your hand. Grab it with your hand. Grab your ankle with your hand. Push your knees together. Push your knees together.
Lock that triangle up, Phil.
Pull your... Oh no.
Alright, just stand up now.
Stand up.
Do it.
Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Kick him off. Stand up, stand up. Half guard. Half guard. Oh.
Grab that leg, let's go.
Stand up. Take him. Take him over.
Alrighty, he's tired.
He's tired to sit there.
Fence. Pull him away from the fence.
Drag him away and do stuff.
Whatever.
Just stay there, Philip.
There you go.
Watch his legs sneaking in. Don't let him get their legs in. Yeah, hands off the shorts, bro. You got that arm, you got that arm, man.
Nice.
Mount. There's some points.
You've got game from here now, let's do it. Take your time.
Deep breath.
Don't give him your arms, ball.
I go on to it. 30 seconds.
30 seconds, Philip. It's yours, man. Stay there, bros. Dominant. Stay on there. Stay on top. Stay on. Yes! Well up!